how to trade crypto on Binance. Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to trade crypto on Binance. To get started with the trading on Binance, you just have to follow the steps. First thing, you need to complete the verification process, which may include providing identification document depending on your location and the services you intend to use. And you also need to make sure that you have deposited funds into your Binance account, and you need to learn the basic of market orders, limit orders, stop orders, and margin trading as well. Now let's get started with the trading procedure. So when you're logged in, that is going to take you to the home page, and from the home page you need to select the asset that you wish to go with. Let's say it's BNB, and when you locate the asset, you could either buy or sell the asset. So in my case, I don't have any coins, so I'm unable to show the steps sell. So I'm just gonna go ahead and press the buy button. Now on this page, you need to go ahead and enter the exact amount of BNB that you want, and then tap on verify account located right at the bottom. You can also go ahead and select the asset, such as whether you want it in a USD, MRP, or whatever. And on the other field, you need to confirm the transaction by entering or reviewing all of the details that is being provided, and you'll have successfully traded crypto on Binance. So that is how you can trade crypto on Binance. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.